Underlying Jira, there are a number of core building blocks. Now, whether you're using the free version, the premium, the enterprise cloud or data center, whether you're using Jira software, Jira service management, Jira work management, or just Jira, there are these 6 fundamental building blocks that apply. And in these lessons then, we're going to look at these 6 core concepts, which will cover what an issue is and the different types of properties and pieces of information an issue tracks. We will look at projects and how you can use projects as containers for different aspects of work that you want to track, where a project may contain one or more issues that track the individual units of work you're carrying out. We will look at workflow and status, so we'll be able to configure different status values for your issues or pieces of work, and we'll see what transitions and how those transitions can be set up to model your workflow that you use within your projects and your organization. We'll drill into issues in even more detail and look at things like components, versions, priorities and labels, which are just ways to categorize and group your issues so that you can pull out data in your projects to create reports, dashboards, and agile boards for tracking and monitoring the work that you're undertaking. So in the next 6 modules, we're going to focus on these 6 core concepts, and we're going to start with lesson 1 and explore issues.